Today we're going to check out some accessory options for the new Honda Pioneer 1005 Deluxe, one of Honda's 8 different Pioneer 1000 models in their current UTV model lineup. This one isn't as wild as the $10,000 package on the Trail Edition we did a video on not too long ago, but still, we've got some goodies to talk about that may interest you if you're in the market for a side-by-side or you currently own one. Before we get into all the Honda Pioneer 1000 accessory options though, if you see something you like or want more information on, I'll have links down in the description, and some of the discount options may save you a few bucks too if you're in the market to buy, all while helping support the channel in the process. And speaking of supporting the channel, if you find any of the info I share helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment below for the algorithm. We'll start off first with the hardtop. For all of you guys that don't want to get your scalp burnt by the sun, this is one of the best options out there. Definitely not the cheapest, but it's a Honda accessory that utilizes their toolless clamp system to mount it, and it also has mounting points for the Honda accessory light bar if you wanted to add it in the future. It's made from polyethylene and is pretty durable from my experience with bashing it up against trees and so on. Plus you have the option of getting it with a black finish on the inside or gray to lighten up the interior a little bit for a few extra bucks, and it works with most aftermarket windshields too, which is a bonus. Hence our transition to the next item, which is the flip-up scratch-resistant windshield from SuperATV. Personally, I like this setup over the Honda windshield options as you can actually open it all the way up, whereas the Honda can't. And you can do it all quickly with one hand instead of having 2 adjustment points, one on either side like with Honda's 2-piece windshields. Plus it's cheaper, which is always a bonus as these things are getting expensive enough as it is. Up next we move over to the back, and that's for the bed extender from Honda. It's a pretty beefy piece of hardware made of steel and designed to give you a little extra bed space if needed, which definitely comes in handy if you have these seats folded up and you're carrying passengers, negating all of that bed space you once had. It flips forward so you can close the bed, and you can completely remove it in about 5 seconds too, which is something I forgot to do, so we're going to see if we can find one and insert it here. Then we've got what probably caught your eye first, and that's the wheel and tire package on this Pioneer 1000. Stock, these things are rolling on a set of 6-ply 27x9 and 27x11 OTR Armstrong Dirtmaster tires, but they've been replaced in favor of these 10-ply 28x10 STI X-Comp ATR radial tires on all 4 corners. And those are wrapped around a set of 14-inch STI ST5 wheels finished in a gunmetal gray and black finish, which really pop when compared to the stock wheels, thanks to their more aggressive offset giving them a fat lip instead of the more tame, flat face you see on the factory wheels. And that's all of the OEM and aftermarket parts and accessories installed on this new Honda Pioneer 1005 Deluxe. What do you guys think about this setup? And if it was yours, what would you change up next? Let me know what you're thinking down in the comments section. Don't forget, if you like more info on a certain item, everything I've covered is linked below, and you can learn more about it all over at HondaProKevin.com too. Thanks for watching and supporting all of this. I really appreciate it, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. But first,